Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over the steps to install cPanel, so let's get right into it. But first, let me explain quickly what cPanel is so that you are all up to spec. Now, cPanel is a online graphics user interface, which is Linux based. And what a graphics user interface is, it is basically an interface which uses graphics instead of text to display information, such as the Windows desktop, Linux desktop, the web browser you're using, which has all these icons. Those are all graphics user interfaces which are used to easily interact with the machine instead of actually typing in commands and code. So yeah, that's pretty much what cPanel is, and in this tutorial, as I've said, I will be showing you guys how you can install cPanel, and I'll be using this Server Mania article since it's much more convenient for me since I cannot access cPanel at the moment. So let's get right into it. The first step, just to mention, cPanel is not free. It is a monthly license payment. However, you can have a 15-day free trial, so that's worth to take note of. And you cannot really use it on Linux or on Windows. You will need to set up a Linux virtual machine or something, so keep that in mind as well. First thing you want to do is log into the server via SSH using the root username, which is pretty much this command here. Then open a screen. This is the install screen if you have not yet installed, and then you will just want to click yum install screen. This is pretty much what it is, and then just click Y and just agree with everything. Then you want to set a host name, which the cPanel installer needs a valid FQDN. I can't really tell you what that is, I don't know. And the host name before the install can run. If a host name has not been set, you can set it with hostname domain.tld. And then execute the installation command, which is this command here. And after that, proceed with the web installation. A URL will be provided with the web installation. You can navigate to this through your browser. And that is pretty much all there is to it. To complete the installation, just restart the server by entering restart. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.